Hello, friends. I'm Michael Woods. This is a special short edition of the ATC Double Cut. I'm here with TJ Creamer, the golf course superintendent at Olympic View Golf Club in Victoria, British Columbia, Canada. Welcome to the show, TJ.
Hey, Micah. Thank you very much for having me.
I was going to show during our full episode, I was going to show this video that you sent me of the balls rolling at the end of the day off a stimp meter as you were measuring the green speed and at the same time doing the bobble test. I'm going to show that video now. Yeah, I saw a little chatter on the first one, a little chatter on the second one. I'm unsure if I saw anything on the third one. So the second one was a really nice roll that actually ended up bumping into the ball from the previous roll. So you know it's rolling really true. I would score that as 889 or 25. So that comes to like 8.33, something like that.
Gotcha. Yeah, I will say that those rolls were last night. So that was 12 hours after well, more than 12 hours after the roll in the morning. And that's more than 24 hours since they were last mowed. And you can see a little bit of debris in the video there too. So I'm pretty happy with that score based on those conditions, that's for sure.
Yeah, I think, for me, the minimum threshold for a high quality putting surface is 8. And that's the score that you're measuring in the morning. So to be able to be at the end of the day after however many rounds, how many golfers played there
Well,
yesterday?
we had a shotgun yesterday, so we probably had 270 rounds yesterday,
So
250
that's a
rounds. Yeah.
lot of traffic. And
Yeah.
was that particular spot near where people would have been walking?
Yeah, it would be in the walk-off area of the green, or part of it would have been for sure. So yeah, yeah,
So that at the end of the day, with hundreds of rounds of golf and a lot of footprints, and that's on greens that are Poa annua. It had just rained the day before, or 2 days before,
yeah,
so the surfaces are relatively wet. No aeration to speak of for more than 2 years, and the surfaces are still firm enough that they can have that type of ball roll at the end of the day. It's really cool to see that. I just find that fascinating. And people can watch our longer conversation on the full ATC double cut to learn even more about everything that you're doing out there.
absolutely. Thanks very much, Micah. Really appreciate your comments and the opportunity to showcase a little bit what's going on out at Olympic View.